Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Today I am off work, stoked, and you know what I do when I'm off? I get in the kitchen and start cooking. So I've got several things going on this morning. I got my chicken and dumplings that I'm making for my mom. If you want to know how to make those, super easy recipe. Go back and look at the video I posted just in the last week or so. Another thing I'm going to do today is something my husband has asked me to do several times, and it is making a Burrito Supreme. This is a great super recipe to show you guys how to make your own Burrito Supremes for any parties or get-togethers you have coming up. Super Bowl is coming right around the corner. I'm sorry that my Cowboys didn't make it, but there's always next year. But anyway, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. My very first job when I was 16 years old was working for a fast food company called Taco Plaza. Some of you might remember that. I don't know if Taco Bell absorbed them, but you know, the food's kind of similar, but not completely. So I'm going to show you how to make these. Like I said, it's going to be a big enough recipe for get-togethers, and you're going to be impressed and you're going to be excited at how easy these are to make for your family and friends. I went ahead and prepared my fixings ahead of time. I did this kind of the old-fashioned way. I went ahead and had a can of black olives that I sliced. I have my shredded cheddar cheese. I have some shredded lettuce here. I have my sour cream, some chopped onions, and some chopped tomatoes. Hamburger meat. I have my taco seasoning, 2 cans of refried beans, and I have large flour tortillas. Now I'm putting it in this tray so that I can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator while I'm doing my beans and my meat. It's very important that you keep your fixings fresh and cold while you're doing this. And if you do separate them out like this into a metal tray or a cookie sheet or something where your guests can pick what they want and tell you what they want when they're making their burrito, it makes it much easier, and you can just grab it out of the fridge and get going. I have the hamburger meat cooking up real good, and I have my refried beans starting to heat up in my iron skillet. We're going to get these real hot. Okay, we've drained our hamburger meat. Now it's time to add our seasoning. So I have a half a cup of my taco seasoning, and I have a little over a cup of water. And you want to be sure and drain your hamburger meat because it will get a little too greasy. I'm going to stir this up. Going to let it simmer a little bit so it can get those seasonings. And we've got our refried beans over here heating up. They're looking good. These are heating up on about number 3 on the burner. It says to do medium heat, but since we're using a cast iron skillet, I'm afraid that might be a little too hot. You're going to let your meat cook until it absorbs all the liquid, all the water and the seasonings. You want it to be dry. Everything is ready. The first thing we want to do is we want to put our refried beans. Just spread it out in the middle. And then you're going to take your taco meat. Spread that out. My daughter's here and she wants sour cream. She wants everything on hers. So we're just going to spread a little bit of sour cream on here. Then you're going to put your cheese so it can melt up a little bit. Your black olives. Your lettuce. Your tomatoes. And then your onions. Then you want to fold it over. Fold one end in. And presto. There you have your Burrito Supreme. So delicious, says my family. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make your Burrito Supremes. Absolutely delicious. You saw my daughter's face when she was eating it. So I'm going to dig into mine, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Take care, God bless, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, we ask that you click the subscribe button and that you go and like our video. Have a good day.